If you haven't already, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Hey, what's up everybody? Usually what I'm making is pretty intricate and can be complicated for some people, so today I'm gonna have a lazy day. I'm gonna make something super simple that everybody can make. All you need is about 5 ingredients and a slow cooker. We got about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, some scallions, chicken broth, organic diced tomatoes with green chilies, and some organic black beans. We've got our green onions rinsed and looking nice. We're just gonna chop these all the way down to the stem. We've got to rinse off our black beans. So empty your can. We're gonna use the water to rinse these off. And just like that, we're just gonna start adding everything to the slow cooker. So we've got our scallions. We've got our beans. We've got our chicken. We've got our chicken broth. And lastly, we've got garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of ground cumin, and a dash of cayenne pepper. You can add as much or as little of this as you want. I want mine to be a little spicy, as you guys already well know. But once this is finished, all that we're gonna do is turn this on high for about 4 hours and let it sit. That's it. That's the whole recipe. And it is going to be absolutely amazing. Your whole house will smell absolutely delicious. Here we are, 5 hours later. Perfectly cooked. Great, some cheddar on top. And then a dollop of our organic sour cream.